Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this Joker inspired makeup look. So first things first, we have to glue down the brows. I'm using this glue to glue down my brows. You can use whatever you think can glue down your brows. Now I'm just combing it to make sure everything is flat, so when I go in with the setting powder it stays. Then I'm going another layer of glue, and I'm going into the RCMA no color powder to just set it before I do any other thing. Setting it will make it dry out faster and it makes it smooth on your skin basically. Now I'm going into my foundation. I'm applying foundation all over my face and my brows. Then I'm applying my concealer. I'm gonna let it dry down a bit before I blend it out using a beauty sponge. And I'm going to go into the Benign Clown White to give it that white look, because we're doing a Joker makeup look, so I have to make sure it is a bit lighter than my skin. Now that I'm done blending, it's time to set. But before then, let's add contour. I'm using the ZK Cosmetics contour. It's a foundation, but it's a bit darker than my skin, so I use it for contour. Then I'm just blending it out, after which I'm going to set it with the RCMA no color powder.
I've got a bunch of real good reasons that you're never gonna see. You are consistently breaking me. All that I forgot.
One hack I've learned throughout this makeup process is you have to make do of what you have. So yeah, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay powder. It's a dark shade of powder, I would say the darkest shade, and I'm using it on my face as a bronzer, and I'm loving how it looks. So now for my brows, I'm using a water activated liner for my brows in green.
I've got a bunch of real good reasons that you're never gonna see. You are consistently breaking me. All that I've forgotten is us. Time's up, you're gone today. Nothing could make you stay. Gone, I am gone now. Hard to think of an easy way to start. It's over. Give me what I've lost.
So to clean out my brows, I'm using the Benign Clown White. Just clean out my brows. I want it to be really light. Like I said, we're doing a Joker look, so everything has to be bright. Now I'm just doing the details of the Joker on my face. Now for the interesting part, eyeshadow. So I'm doing a black smoky eyeshadow. I'll be using the black liner as the first base. Then I'm going to blend it out and use a black eyeshadow over it. Then I'm going to a wine eyeshadow to just blend out the edges. Now that I'm done, I'm just finishing up by doing the details before I move to the lips. For lips, I'm using the Wubiu lipstick to just outline and fill in my lips. So I'm finishing up the lips using a wine and black eyeshadow to just make it darker. So I'm going to dust out the setting powder on my face, apply powder, change my wig, and I'm done. So this is the final look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you create this look. If you do, please don't forget to tag me, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.